Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 strategies for growing your income on YouTube. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level, these tips can help you increase your earnings and turn your YouTube channel into a successful business. Number 1. Focus on a niche. One of the keys to success on YouTube is to focus on a specific niche. This will help you attract a loyal audience that is interested in your content and more likely to engage with your channel. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a dedicated following on YouTube. Number 2. Consistently post high-quality content. In order to attract and retain viewers, it's important to consistently post high-quality content. This means investing in good equipment, planning your content in advance, and editing your videos to a professional standard. Number 3. Build a loyal community. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments, hosting live streams, and creating a community around your channel. This will help you build a loyal audience that is more likely to watch your videos and support your channel. Number 4. Monetize your videos. Enable ads on your videos to earn money from ad revenue. You can also explore other monetization options like sponsorships, merchandise, and affiliate marketing. Number 5. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other YouTubers can help you tap into their audience and reach new viewers. Consider reaching out to other creators in your niche and see if they're interested in collaborating on a video or series. Number 6. Use SEO to improve your visibility. Search engine optimization, SEO, can help you improve your visibility on YouTube and attract more viewers. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos show up in search results. Number 7. Leverage social media. Promote your videos on social media to increase your reach and attract new viewers. You can also use social media to connect with your audience and build a community around your channel. Number 8. Offer exclusive content. Consider offering exclusive content like behind-the-scenes footage or early access to videos to your most loyal subscribers. This can help you build a dedicated fanbase and increase your earnings through Patreon or other crowdfunding platforms. Number 9. Attend events and meetups. Attending events and meetups can help you network with other creators and industry professionals. This can lead to collaboration opportunities, sponsorships, and other income-generating opportunities. Number 10. Keep track of your metrics. Use analytics tools to track your metrics like views, watch time, and engagement. This can help you identify which types of content are resonating with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. Conclusion. So those are 10 strategies for growing your income on YouTube. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication, but by following these tips and strategies, you can turn your channel into a successful business. If you have any other tips or strategies for making money on YouTube, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.